Hola amigos, hola amigas, welcome, bienvenido, croeso salam, welcome to the channel y'all, Cheshire the Action Mash. We are back with the part 2 for the Dyson DC03 Clear. I've got a new part, so if I open this up for you, we will see that I have got a brand new clutch that will need this put back on it. If I can get this on. Let's get you a bit closer and let's take a look. It's definitely not the yellow one. Okay. That is how it's supposed to go on, but it's not going in. I need to get the old clutch out. There's the new one. Now, that just fits on nice and easy. Why doesn't this one? It's supposed to be the same. There we go, that's in. Fortunately, I had to break a little piece off, but it's gone in now anyway, so that's good. Old clutch. I will take this plate off and take this belt back, but we can see on this one, golly, that belt's tight. So yeah, it's definitely loose on the old one. And what I'm going to do is put some Singer oil down in there. And I'm going to put some Singer oil on that end. Drop that in. There we go. That's the belt on. Put the screws back in. Put the brush roll back on. Okay, now I can put the wheel back on. Okay, caps on. Seals in. Okay, let's plug it in. That's better. That is much better. Right. Now, let's start putting this beast back together. Cloth over it and clean it. Okay, let's switch it on. And it's not coming on. Why is that? Oh, the belt's come off. Why is the belt come off? It is actually working. Now, turn it on. Okay, let's give it a quick test with some, ooh, it's gone a bit clumpy, some mess. Let's give it a go. It's working, thank goodness for that. Right, that's all clean. Let me just empty out this. Fine dust goes in the center. Picked it up. That's what I like about this era of Dyson, is that the bins on them were really big. So for the centrifugal force, you had absolutely stacks of room for it to work really well. Whereas some of the more modern ones have such a tiny little dustbin on them. They really don't have much time to do a really good centrifugal force job on it. But there we go, it is done and dusted. I'm just going to give the cable a quick wipe over, tidy up, and then I'll be back to finish off this video. So there you go guys, the Dyson DC03 clear is now all finished. And yeah, I'm looking forward to giving it a house demo, which you'll see in the next video on next Monday. So we will give it a complete house demo and see how it does. But it does work really, really well, even just going up and down here and picking up some mess. It's not amazing, don't get me wrong, it's not going to do a really deep clean. For some reason it doesn't have a very big suction on it, maybe because the motor is smaller, I don't know. But it's definitely fun to use and definitely fun to be using this again. So there we go guys, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode. Oh, by the way, the new clutch for it cost me £25 including delivery from eBay, so that wasn't too bad. But it's all done. So I'll see you next week. Bye y'all.